Many people hear about KOHO and immediately ask one simple question: is KOHO an actual credit card, or is it something else entirely? If you are considering KOHO and wondering whether it can replace a traditional credit card, help you build credit, or fit into your everyday spending, this video will give you a clear and honest answer. Let us start with the short answer. KOHO is not a traditional credit card. It does not function the same way as a bank-issued Visa or MasterCard that lets you borrow money and pay it back later with interest. Instead, KOHO offers a prepaid Visa card that is linked to a digital account. You can only spend the money you have already loaded into your KOHO account. That distinction is important, especially if you are comparing KOHO to standard credit cards from major banks. With a credit card, the bank lends you money. With KOHO, you are spending your own funds. There is no credit limit, no borrowing, and no interest charges because there is no credit involved by default. However, this does not mean KOHO is useless if you care about credit. KOHO includes an optional feature called KOHO Credit Building. This add-on is designed specifically for people who want to build or improve their credit score without using a traditional credit card. When you activate it, KOHO reports your payment behavior to the credit bureaus as long as you make your payments on time. This makes KOHO appealing to students, newcomers to Canada, or anyone rebuilding their credit history. Now let us talk about what the KOHO card actually is. The KOHO card is a prepaid Visa, which means it is accepted anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in-store. You can use it for subscriptions, shopping, food delivery, travel bookings, and everyday purchases. Because it is prepaid, it is also easier to manage your spending. You cannot go into debt or overspend beyond what you have available in your account. KOHO also positions itself as a spending and budgeting tool rather than just a card. Inside the KOHO app, you can track your transactions in real time, categorize spending, set savings goals, and receive instant notifications every time your card is used. For many users, this level of visibility makes it easier to control finances compared to traditional bank accounts. Another reason people confuse KOHO with a credit card is cashback. KOHO offers cashback on select purchases, depending on your plan. This is similar to what credit cards offer, but again, the key difference is that KOHO does not involve borrowing. You are earning rewards on your own money, not on credit. Fees are another area where KOHO stands out. KOHO has different plans, including a free option and paid plans with additional perks. There are no interest charges because there is no credit balance. Depending on your plan, you may get benefits like higher cashback rates, international spending perks, or priority support. This makes KOHO attractive to people who want predictable costs and fewer hidden fees. So who should consider KOHO? KOHO is a strong option if you want a Visa card without the risk of debt, if you struggle with budgeting, or if you are not eligible for traditional credit cards. It is also useful if you want a modern app-based financial tool with simple features and transparency. If your main goal is to borrow money, earn large rewards on credit, or carry a balance over time, then KOHO is not a replacement for a real credit card. To be clear, KOHO does not perform hard credit checks for the basic card, which is another reason many people choose it. This makes it accessible, especially for those who have been declined by banks in the past. The optional credit building feature is where KOHO bridges the gap between prepaid cards and traditional credit products. So, is KOHO an actual credit card? No, it is not a traditional credit card. It is a prepaid Visa card with optional credit building features that mimic some benefits of credit cards without the risk of debt. Whether that is a good thing or a bad thing depends entirely on your financial goals. If you are looking for a safer way to spend, manage money, and possibly build credit over time, KOHO can be a smart choice. If you need access to credit itself, then you will still need a traditional credit card from a bank or lender.